Okay, here's a large piece of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, rules millimetres. The white there's a reflection of the lights. Semi-crystal sort of piece this. Colour bar seems to go around a fair way. Peters out over on this side by the looks, although there's a bit of colour there. Some of it's on this dark black base. Great holes in it by the looks. Should end up with some easy to cut stones. I don't think you'd try to cut it in one big piece, but it's up to you. Maybe rub it down to start with. Decide if you're going to have to cut it up or not. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.